Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. I have the Tonic Craft Kit number 40. It arrived and I thought I would share with you guys. If you're not familiar with Tonic's Craft Kit, it is a monthly subscription box. It is probably the one craft subscription box that I absolutely adore. I've tried quite a few of them, and the other ones, you know, they haven't quite. I kind of fell out of love with them, I guess. I've done the Simon Says stamp. I've done a cherry on top. I've done the pink paisley. I've done some of the Spellbinders craft kits. I have done the Hedgehog Hollow. I'm still kind of doing that. But anyway, we'll see. Anywho, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of my future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. And any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So, here's the box this month. We still even have all the little popcorn bits in here. Let me see. We're going to do this. So the first thing in here, we have a Craft Perfect Baker's Twine. This is in pewter gray. So there's that. We have glitter paste, or glimmer paste. Give me just a second. Glimmer paste in rich cocoa. If I can get it open. It's got to me, it's got like a coppery feel to it. So there is that. We have a stone drop in Fiery Volcano. So there's that one. We have some glitter in Ruby Red, one of my favorite glitters and one of my favorite colors. That is just, it is Ruby Red. There's no place like home. There's no place like a home. Okay, I know, bad pun. Then we have a sample of Mica Mist in the color Crimson Velvet. So there we go. Needs a little shaken. Because you can kind of see from land, you can kind of see it's the mica stuck to the little spray bottle. So that's going to take a lot of shaking, actually. I'll get that figured out eventually. Right now, during the month of February, they have their big drop sale. So if you're looking to add like some of their jewel drops, crystal drops, stone drops, vintage drops, I think dream drops, glitter drops, I think. Anyway, they're all on sale, up to 60%. Oh, if you're new, I am not sponsored by Tonic. I do buy my own craft kits. All the orders that I do haul, I buy. They are not sent to me for review. But you guys know that if I don't like something, I'll tell you. It doesn't matter whether it's I buy it or it's given to me or, you know, as a gift, or if somebody sends it to me for review. Y'all know I tell you whether I think it's worth it or not, and what I think's wrong with it if I don't like it. So, anywho, before we get into those goodies, we are going to check out the papers. They always come in some form of envelope to protect them. And honestly, I save all these because you can use them for shipping. So, it's recycling. So let me pull this card out so I can tell you all the different papers. So the first specialty paper is, I'm going to say, I think this is the umber etching. I think that's this one. Really pretty. I love the embossed look. I love the texture and the black. So there's that. This is one of my favorites. I love this. This is specialty paper in red berries, and that's exactly what it looks like. I have quite a bit of this, and I like to use this for Christmas. So there's that. You can use that for Valentine's. We have mirror card in black velvet. Again, I don't know why they call it mirror card because there's nothing mirror about it, but the black velvet is on point. It is really pretty, really matte. I love that. We have pearlescent cardstock in glazed chestnut, and the pearlescent cardstock is their only, besides their textured weave cardstock, this is their only other cardstock that is double-sided. All of their other specialty cardstocks, they're single-sided only. And I love their pearlescent cardstock. It has a very large range of colors. So if you want to add a little extra to a project, I really recommend their pearlescent cardstock. Now this is definitely mirror card, and this is opera red. Oh, saw my face in my pajamas. Absolutely beautiful red. The camera is not doing it justice. Really, really pretty. Then we have, is this just, hold on. Oh, this is just smooth card in black, 300 GSM. This is the first time I have gotten any of this. I did get some of the smooth white recently, so I think I'm going to have to pick up some of the smooth black because this is all I've got. So there's that. Then we have the textured weave in, or classic card in pewter gray. So their texture cardstock is textured on one side and smooth on the other. Their textured cardstock is some of my favorite, hands down. Absolutely love it. It is solid core, meaning the color goes all the way through, compared against a lot of the paper on the market, which has a white core to it, which I personally am not a fan of. And then the last we have maroon red. And oh wait, and Karma I think wants to make it. Well, actually, she's pouting because she wants me to go to bed. So this is maroon red in classic card. So there is the cardstock. Where'd you go, baby girl? Come here. Come here. You want to come say hi to everybody? Meow. Say hi. I'm recording this Saturday night. It is past our bedtime, and so that's why she's in here. We're usually in bed at 7:30, and after 7:30, she lets me know that I am late, and we need to be in bed so she can cuddle, because that's her thing. Isn't it, sweet girl? Yeah? Okay, so let's get to the fun stuff, which is the stamp and die set. And with Tonic, the stamp and dies are exclusive to the kits. Oh, Jean's in here and she can't stand them. Let's see if she growls. You gonna growl, sweetie? I hope you don't, because it's not pretty. Where's he going? She is staring him down. She does not like him at all. And which is sad, because he is such a sweet boy, you guys. He's like 3 times her size. My daughter came home early from work, so he's watching her. What are you doing, Jean? Oh, now he's chilling on the floor. It's okay, you're up here. It's all right. So let's check out the stamp and die set. So this month is called the Pivot Gift Box Die and Stamp Set. First things first, every kit comes with an exclusive sticker, and I always put them on the front of the pocket. Crafting makes everything better. So we're going to put that right there. Oh, did y'all hear that? She's growling. That's not pretty. Okay. Anywho, so this is what it makes. I haven't figured out why they call it a pivot gift box. I don't know if it's because you can open it from either side, you know, pivot it and open the other side. But you can choose, you can make one side a permanent fixture, or you can make both sides to where they both come off. Anywho, with the stamp set, the first thing is, it's a very small stamp set this month. So we have Just to Say, It's All Yours, From Me to You, A Little Something You Might Like, Thank You So Much, and then we have some embellishment stamps here. So you can see those. Little flourish going on. So there's the stamp set. And then we have the dies. It even comes with this little instruction sheet that shows you how to assemble it, which I think is pretty awesome. I hope they continue this because they have not done that in the past. In the past, you did have to go watch videos, which I don't mind because I love YouTube. I think I watch more YouTube than I do TV. So I'm hoping this is something that they continue as far as putting the assembly instructions in the kits. You want down? Come here. Oh. Oh, there's the growling. She's going to go the other way. Oh, there's the hissing. And the growling. Okay, so right here we have our base here. With this die here, you'll cut 2 of them, and that's going to create the body of your die. This here, these can be embellishment pieces. We have a die that will cut out Enjoy. This says A Gift for You, so that's going to emboss it. This one cuts it out. Then we have Thank You. That says Thank You. And then this piece here that looks like a chopped up clover. When you cut it and piece it together, it creates those little bracket pieces, you know, that go on the corners, like, you know, like vintage suitcases. So that is what this piece is. Then we have different decorative elements to add. This one here is kind of like a little... So this piece here attaches to one of the lids and goes through here and kind of locks it. We have a tag. This is kind of a lid portion that you can interchange. More decorative pieces, and then this is like a piece that will decorate a corner. And then this kind of looks like, daisies to me. That's what it looks like. So, anywho, you can cut out, so you can cut that out right there. That fits there. So for these 2 sentiments here, you've got this die. And then this one here, you can use to emboss on the gift tag. So you can actually even make this bigger. So like you can take 2 of the bodies and attach them. If I were to do that, I would put inside panels, and so it's one solid piece, and then do like decorating around the seam to hide where it's pieced together to make it a bigger box. But you can make it bigger if you want. So that is it. I will put a link down in the description to, I talk about her all the time. She's Crafti Potential. She is one of the Tonic design team members, and I believe she did a video on this kit. If she did, I will link it below, in addition to the Tonic YouTube video on this particular kit, so you can see other examples from some of the other design team members. The Tonic Craft Kit, like many of them out there, you can do it month to month. You can buy a one time. You can do a quarterly subscription, which is what I do. And then, of course, you can do the yearly. If I could afford to do the yearly, I would, because you do save a few more dollars. But, yeah. I still save a couple of dollars on the quarterly subscription. So, and I think mine renews next month. I think. Oh, she's just growling. Anywho, so I hope you guys keep an eye out because there's going to be a short sneak peek or update on the craft room tonight. There is also, yeah, so at least those two videos. Oh, and there is going to be a drawing for a hidden giveaway. If you haven't been paying attention to the videos, then you don't know about the hidden giveaway. That's all I'm going to say. So you kind of have to watch the videos from this past week to find out about the hidden giveaway that I will be drawing tomorrow. Yeah, I have another Colorado Craft Company order that came in, so that will probably be on Monday. I also have a small order. I ordered the mystery bag from the Gray Muse, which she does like really neat like craft pins, because y'all know me, I love, I like different pins. So I ordered that, and I was really happy because there's a lot in there that I didn't have. I think there was one that I... Well, that would be Jean bothering Karma. Sorry for the drama. I'm gonna cut it here, and I will see you guys later. Don't forget to keep your eye out for the craft room update, and with that, love you guys to pieces. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.